What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Carnegie Studios. I'm Chris, and today I want to chat with you guys about a tool you can add to your toolbox when playing keys, and that is clustered chord voicings. I've spoken about it before on this channel, but I just wanted to take a beginner's look and perspective on how to play it. We're going to play 3 different types of clustered chord voicings. You can take it and add it to your chord progressions, songs, whatever you fancy. Let's jump right into it. So we're going to be in the key of C. And first and foremost, you want to know your triads and your 7th chords, and preferably your 9th chords as well when playing clustered chord voicing. It's going to help you a lot, right? Those are foundational to being able to know what you're playing, right? I'm going to show you a cheat code, but knowing the theory behind it is going to help you go farther in the long run. So let's get into it. You're going to take your triad, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C, E, and G. From there, you'll add your 7th. And then from there, you'll go to your 9th chord. Why is it called a 9th chord? Quick recap. These notes are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8 or 1. But you can continue on. You can go to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and so forth, right? And so 9th, that would be the D note, right? Also known as the 2nd. So interchangeable as you extend the chord. So going from there, we've got the 9th chord. I want to cluster this. An easy way to look at this is taking the D note and bringing it down. All of a sudden, you have a cluster voicing. Let's take it 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, and then beautiful, right? It adds a little bit of a depth to it that wasn't there with just that triad, right? So that's the first way you can play it. You're going to use all 5 fingers, even though we're not looking at fingering pattern right now. In your right hand, it will be all 5 fingers. C, D, E, G, and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in your left hand, you can just play the C and the G, that voicing. Another way you can play it is you can take the C, come down and play B, and then you remove the B from up top. So this is how you'll be playing it. And you're going to keep the major 9 because you're playing the B down here instead of up top. So quick side note, question: what is a clustered voicing? Essentially, a clustered chord is a chord where you play 2 or 3 notes right next to each other, no more than a whole step apart, right? That's what that looks like there. So, just a quick side note before I forget. So then, you've got this beautiful voicing you can create, which is the 2nd one. And then the last voicing you can create. Oh, let's do context. So I have this beautiful voicing. I love using this voicing along with my 7-3-6. There's no finality to it, but that's a great starter chord. And then I can spread it out or keep it in this fashion. So do with it as you will. So that's the 2nd way you can play it. So you've got the C major 9, where you just take the D note up top and bring it down. And then you can also bring down the C note to play B and remove the B from up top. Finally, the last cluster voicing that I'm going to show is you take C major 7, left you do C and G, 1 and the 5, and then you just add the A, and it creates a C major 13. It creates the 13th chord, right? And what did I say earlier? You're playing the notes. They're all numbered: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So A right here is that 13th note, which is why you'll see it. And then we'll play it up a notch. Starting off with this. And ending with beautiful. 13th chord, C major 13th, right? And just thinking about it in terms of theory, like I said, 1, 3, 5, 7, and then you add that 6th, which is also the 13th. That's the right hand, and then the left hand, 1 and a 5. You could add the 7, but it's a little bit too dissonant for me. Just right. A great finisher. So there you have it. First steps to creating and using cluster chords. If you have any questions, please feel free down to ask in the comments below. If you need clarification on anything, please also comment. And that's it, y'all. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.